Assalamualaikum, my dear students. Today I am here with chapter number 11 of Grammar Gate of class 5. The chapter name is Conjunctions. In this chapter we are going to study about the connecting words, that is conjunctions. Now in the beginning there is one picture given in your Grammar Gate textbook, that is on page number 79. See, some words are given in the box, that is and, but, because, so, or. And few sentences are given here with some blanks. Now, before fill in the blanks, let me make it clear to you that what are conjunctions. So, conjunctions are the words which are used to connect two sentences or two words. Now there are so many different kinds of conjunctions which are used in different types of sentences. Now look at the sentence which is given in your picture first. Kunal dash I want to eat breakfast. There is a lot of bread. So see, Kunal dash I means Kunal and I want to eat breakfast. So first it will be and. There is a lot of bread dash no butter means bread is there, but what is not there? Butter. So here we are having two opposite ideas, that's why we are using but. The butter is over dash Kitty ate all of it. Now the butter is already over. Why? Because Kitty has eaten all of the butter. So here is a reason. So for suggesting the reason we are writing the word, that is because. Dash I am going to the market to buy some butter. Now she is going to the market. So it is a result, that's why we have to use so. Now let us start with the definition of the conjunctions. Conjunctions are two words or groups of words and help to show the connection between them. Now whenever there are two words which are having some kind of connection between them, then we use some conjunctions. In this chapter, we will learn about some frequently used conjunctions. So the first type of conjunction is and, but, or. We use and to connect two similar ideas. So first one is and, A-N-D, and. So when do we use and? So we are using and when we want to represent or connect the words which are having two similar ideas. For example, I had bread and milk for breakfast. Now milk and bread, they are having some connection because they both things are eaten in the breakfast. We got home and went straight to bed. Means as soon as they have reached their home, they went to the bed. So here also we have used and. Now here next conjunction is but. We use but to connect two opposite ideas. See, for example, he was ill but cheerful. Means the boy was very ill, he was sick, but still he was cheerful. So ill and cheerful, these are two opposite ideas. That's why we have used here but. She worked hard but didn't pass the exam. Means see, if we will work hard, then what will be the outcome of that hard work? We will definitely pass. But here the ideas are opposite. She has worked hard but still she could not pass in the exam. So because these two are opposite ideas, we have used the conjunction but. The next type of conjunction is but. When do we use but? We use but when we want to connect two opposite ideas. For example, he was ill but cheerful. See, now here the boy is ill, he is sick, but still he is cheerful. So as these two are opposite ideas, we are using the conjunction but. She worked hard but didn't pass the exam. See, here the girl has worked hard but still she could not pass the exam. So these are two opposite ideas, hence we have used the conjunction but. Next is or. So when do we use or? So we use or to talk about things that we can choose. Whenever we are having any option, at that time we can use the conjunction or. For example, you can go on a bike or take a bus. Now here two different options are available. One is bike and one is bus. So as we are having option, we have to use the conjunction or. Now next is or is also used when we want to mean as if not. For example, start now or you will be late. Now what is the sentence here? If you will not start now, so if not came in the sentence, then you will be late. So for instead of if not, we have used the conjunction or. Now next type of conjunction is yet and so. So yet is also used in the same reference just like but, whenever we want to represent about two different ideas. For example, I was very busy, yet I watched the program. See, now the boy was busy, but still he watched the program. So two opposite ideas are there. So for representing opposite ideas, we have used the conjunction yet. Now next conjunction is so. When do we use so? So we use so for talking about results. When we want to say something as a result, we will use the conjunction so. I got up late, so I missed the first bus. What is the action here? The action is I got up late. And what was the result of waking up late in the morning? I missed the first bus. So missing first bus is the result, and that is why we are using the conjunction so. Now next type of conjunctions are if, though and although. Whenever we want to talk about any condition, at that time we will use the conjunction if. For example, if you try again, you will succeed. So what is the condition here? Trying again. If you will try again, you will succeed in the exams. Now next is though and although. So though and although are again used to talk about different or opposite ideas. For example, although it was raining, they went for a picnic. See, even though it was raining, but they still went for the picnic. So this is different ideas, and we have used conjunction though. Now next conjunctions are when, while, whenever, before, after, till and until. Now when we will use all these type of conjunctions? Whenever we are talking about time relationship. Whenever we want to denote some time, we will use these conjunctions. For example, I will phone you then when he comes. Means the time when he will come here, I will phone you. So here we have denoted time by using the conjunction but. Next is the doorbell rang while I was having a bath. So when did the doorbell rang? When I was having a bath. While I was having. While is denoting the time here in this sentence. Now see next sentence. We arrived after the film had started. So when we arrived in the theater or the cinema hall, after the film has started. So after and before are also denoting time. Now below this, here we are having some exercise. Let's discuss it orally. Join the sentences using after, before and when. First, I will eat the dessert dash I have my dinner. Means when I will take the dessert after I have my dinner. So what will come here? After. Second is you should brush your teeth you go to bed. So when do we have to brush our teeth? Before going to bed. So what you have to add here? Before. The sentence will become you should brush your teeth before you go to bed. Now third one is she feels happy she is with her family. So here the time relationship is shown. That's why we will use when. So when she feels happy when she is with her family. Okay. Now remaining 3 you try to do. If you are not able to do, then don't worry. I will be sending the PDF of these grammar chapters also. Now look at the next exercise, that is complete the sentences by choosing the correct conjunctions from the bracket. So first one is we stayed at home dash watched the television. So here it will be and. Second is my brother went out dash I stayed at home, but I stayed at home. Second answer is but. Would you like tea dash coffee? See, now here we are having two options. One is tea and one is coffee. So as I told you that when we have option we will use or. He didn't go to school dash he was ill. Now why he did not go to school? There is one reason. So for denoting reason we will use because. Now next is I was very tired dash I fell asleep on the bus. See, I was tired and what was the result? I fell asleep on the bus. So here we will use the conjunction so. Now remaining 6, 7 and 8 you try to do as a homework. Okay. Now come to the next, that is fill in the blanks with appropriate conjunctions. The first one is I shall not tell him dash he asked me to do so. So what will come here? Until. Until is used for denoting time. So I will not tell him until he asked me to do so. Second is he is contented dash he is very poor. Now he is satisfied, he is happy, and what is his condition? He is very poor. So these are two opposite ideas. So for denoting opposite ideas we represent it by using the conjunction though. Third, I eat dash I am hungry. So when will he eat? When he is hungry. Next, he was frightened dash he heard the noise. So it is again a time conjunction, so we will use when. Fifth, wait, here dash I return. Now till I return you have to wait here. So the conjunction we will use is till. Catch me dash you can. Here is one condition, that catch me, and what is the condition? If you can. So for condition we have to use the conjunction if. Seventh, he ran fast dash caught the train. So he ran fast and that is why he caught the train. So we have to use and. Number 8, hurry up dash you will miss the bus. Means if you will not hurry up, what will happen? You will miss the bus. So here if not has come. So instead of if not, what we can use? We can use or. Number 9, I like him dash he is honest. So what is the reason for liking him? The reason is he is honest. So for reason we have to use because. He will not pass dash he works hard. Why? When will he pass? Unless he works hard. If he will work hard, then he will definitely pass. So answer is unless. Number 11. Tom goes to school dash his teacher stays at home. Now Tom is going to the school, but who is staying at home? His sister. So two opposite ideas we are using but. I shall not come dash it rains. Now there is one condition when he will not come. So the condition is if it rains. So condition is there. So we are using the conjunction if. Now at last we are having fun time. Beginning and ending. So there are two parts of the sentence and you have to match them. The first is, if you rest for a week, then you will be alright. So you have to match it here. Second is, if it stops raining, then we will go out. It is conditions. Third, if you eat that stale cake, if you will eat stale cake, what will happen? You will be ill. Now fourth, if you drive fast, you will have an accident. So what is the condition for accident? Driving fast. So we don't have to drive fast. Now if you pull the dog's tail, it will bite you. So when will the dog bite? If you pull his tail. So here is one condition. Okay. And last is, if you don't run, you won't catch the bus. Clear? I hope this topic is clear to everyone.